Hi dear fans, welcome to CAS Informational Channel. In this video we are providing information about Islamabad. Let's start. Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, is a unique blend of modernity, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. Established in the 1960s to replace Karachi as the capital, it was designed by the Greek architect Constantinos Apostolou Doxiadis. The city is renowned for its meticulous planning, modern infrastructure, and lush green spaces. Geographical setting and climate. Islamabad is situated at the northern edge of the Padhar Plateau at an altitude of approximately 1,700 meters, 5,600 feet, making it one of the highest capitals in the world. It is nestled in the foothills of the Margalla Hills, which provide a stunning natural backdrop. The city's climate is characterized by hot summers and mild winters, with a monsoon season bringing considerable rainfall during the summer months. Urban planning and infrastructure. Islamabad is known for its modern and well-maintained infrastructure. The city is divided into different sectors and zones, each designated for specific purposes such as residential, commercial, and governmental use. Key areas include the Blue Area, which is the main business district, and diplomatic enclave, housing numerous foreign embassies and missions. The city's efficient public transportation system, including the metro bus service, ensures easy connectivity across different parts of the city. Cultural and historical significance. Islamabad is rich in cultural heritage and historical significance. Notable landmarks include 1. Faisal Mosque, designed by Turkish architect Vedat Dalokay. It is one of the largest mosques in the world and an iconic symbol of the city. 2. Pakistan Monument, shaped like a blooming flower, this monument represents the 4 provinces and 3 territories of Pakistan. The adjacent museum offers insights into the country's history and cultural heritage. 3. Lakhh Versa Museum. This museum showcases Pakistan's diverse cultural and ethnic tapestry through artifacts like traditional jewelry, pottery, textiles, and musical instruments. Natural attractions and recreational activities. Islamabad offers numerous opportunities for outdoor and recreational activities. The Margalla Hills are a popular spot for hiking, with well-marked trails that cater to different fitness levels. Trail 3, leading to Manal Restaurant, is particularly popular for its scenic views. Other attractions include Damanico, a viewpoint in the Margalla Hills offering panoramic views of the city. Lakeview Park, located on the shores of Raval Lake, this park features boating, bird watching, and picnic spots. Shakarparian National Park, a green oasis with walking trails and picnic areas, also home to the Pakistan Monument and Lakhh Versa Museum. Education and economy. Islamabad is an educational hub, home to top-ranked institutions such as Quaid-e-Azam University and the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST. Lifestyle and living. Islamabad is known for its serene and peaceful environment, offering a high quality of life. The city has numerous parks, tree-lined streets, and green belts, making it one of the greenest cities in Pakistan. The vibrant food scene, with a mix of local and international cuisines, modern shopping malls, and cultural festivals, adds to the city's appeal. The presence of various foreign communities contributes to its multicultural and diverse society. Dear fans, watch us and keep yourselves updated with fresh and interesting information.